Good day, everyone. I'm Teacher Christian, your academic partner for today's discussion. Today, we'll be delving into an intriguing and essential aspect of human biology, the male reproductive system. Our understanding of this system is very crucial as it plays a fundamental role in human reproduction and the continuation of our species. The male reproductive system is an intricate and finely tuned biological mechanism that serves a fundamental role in the perpetuation of human life, comprising a network of specialized organs, glands, and physiological processes. The male reproductive system is responsible for the production, maturation, and delivery of sperm, the essential carriers of genetic information. This discussion seeks to provide a comprehensive introduction to the male reproductive system, offering insights into its anatomical structures, physiological function, and broader implication for human reproduction and health. Understanding the male reproductive system is crucial not only for comprehending the mechanics of human reproduction, but also for addressing various reproductive health concerns that can impact both individuals and populations. As we delve into the intricacies of this system, we will uncover the remarkable journey of sperm production, learn about the hormonal intricacies that govern it, and explore the role of the male reproductive system in the broader context of reproductive medicine and health. By delving into these aspects, we aim to provide a comprehensive foundation for understanding the male reproductive system's significance in the larger landscape of human biology and reproduction. As we journey through the complexities of the male reproductive system, I invite you to marvel at the intricacies of nature's design and recognize the profound impact that the system has on human life. From the earliest stage of development to the broader implications for reproductive health and well-being. Whether you are a student or healthcare professionals or simply someone curious about the wonders of the human body, I hope that this simple discussion will provide a clear, insightful introduction to the captivating world of the male reproductive system. To start off, let's take a look at an overview of the male reproductive system. The male reproductive system consists of both internal and external components, each playing a vital role in the production, maturation, and delivery of sperm. Let's provide an overview of these main components, both internal and external, to gain a better understanding of their functions within the male reproductive system. In view with this, the following are the internal components of male reproductive system. The first is the testes. It is located within the scrotum. The testes or testis is considered as the primary male reproductive organs, and it is the most essential organ among males. They are responsible for producing sperm through a process of spermatogenesis. Testes also secretes testosterone. This is the primary male sex hormone which influences the development of secondary sexual characteristics and helps regulates reproductive functions. The testes cater to crucial functions: the production of sperm or spermatogenesis and the secretion of testosterone. These functions are vital for male fertility, the development of secondary sexual characteristics, and overall reproductive health. Let's dig deeper into the roles of the testes in producing sperm and testosterone. First is the sperm production or the spermatogenesis. Sperm production, known as spermatogenesis, it is a complex and tightly regulated process that occurs within the seminiferous tubules of the testes. Spermatogenesis involves several stages. Number 1, the mitosis. Spermatogonial cells located in the seminiferous tubules divide by mitosis to produce identical daughter cells. One daughter cell continues the stem cell line, while the other enter the next phase, which is the meiosis. These specialized cells undergo 2 rounds of meiosis, resulting in the formation of haploid spermatids. The process reduces the chromosome number by half, ensuring that when fertilization occurs, the resulting zygote has the correct diploid chromosome number. Next is the spermiogenesis. Spermatids undergo a process of differentiation and maturation called spermiogenesis. Next is the sperm maturation. Spermatozoa, or the mature sperm cells, are released into the lumen of seminiferous tubules and are transported to the epididymis, where they undergo further maturation. This maturation process includes acquiring the ability to move or the sperm motility and developing the capacity to fertilize an egg. Second one is the testosterone secretion. The testes also play a central role in producing and secreting testosterone, the primary male sex hormone. Testosterone has a wide range of functions. This includes the development of secondary sexual characteristics. During puberty, increased testosterone levels lead to the development of secondary sexual characteristics, such as facial and body hair growth, deepening of the voice, and muscle development. Next is the regulation of male reproductive system. Testosterone regulates the feedback loop between the hypothalamus, pituitary gland, and testes known as the hypothalamus-pituitary gonadal axis. This ensures the proper production of sperm and the maintenance of reproductive health. Additionally, the libido and sexual function. Testosterone influences sexual desire or the libido, and it is critical for the normal functioning of the male sexual response, including erectile function. Moreover, the bone health. Testosterone contributes to bone density and overall bone health. It helps maintain proper bone mineralization and strength. And lastly and finally, metabolism. Testosterone affects metabolism, muscle mass, and fat distribution in the body. Proper temperature regulation is crucial for effective sperm production and overall male reproductive health. Here's why. Optimal sperm development. Sperm production, known as spermatogenesis, occurs most efficiently at a slightly lower temperature than the body's core. Maintaining this cooler temperature typically achieved through the scrotum's position outside the body supports the proper development and maturation of sperm. Sperm quality. The quality of sperm is directly affected by temperature. Elevated temperature can lead to structural abnormalities and reduced motility in sperm, diminishing their ability to reach and fertilize an egg successfully. Proper temperature regulation helps ensure the production of high-quality functional sperm. Third one is the fertility enhancement. By keeping the testes at the right temperature, individuals can enhance their fertility potential. A conducive environment encourages the production of healthy sperm with optimal characteristics for a successful fertilization. Mitigating heat exposure. Avoiding prolonged exposure to high temperature such as hot baths, saunas, or tight clothing is important, especially for those trying to conceive. Temporarily minimizing heat exposure can prevent temporary disruption in sperm production and quality. Overall reproductive health. Proper temperature regulation supports the entire process of sperm production from initial development to maturation. Maintaining an optimal temperature environment contributes to the overall health and functionality of the male reproductive system. The epididymis is a coiled tubular structure located on the posterior surface of each testicle. It serves as the storage and maturation site for sperm that are produced in the testes. Once sperm are generated in the seminiferous tubules of the testes through the process called spermatogenesis, they are not immediately ready for fertilization. They require further maturation and modification in the epididymis before they gain the necessary motility and functional characteristics to successfully fertilize an egg. The function of the epididymis in storing and maturing sperm can be broken down into several important keys. Number 1, the storage. The epididymis provides a conducive environment for the storage of sperm. Sperm cells are delicate and need a stable environment to maintain their viability. The epididymis protects them from damage and prevents premature activation or depletion. Second one is the maturation. During their passage through the epididymis, sperm undergo significant biochemical and physiological changes that are essential for their functionality. These changes include modification to the sperm membrane, protein composition, and DNA packaging. This modification prepare the sperm for their role in fertilization and enhance their ability to penetrate the egg protective layers. Third one is the motility enhancement. One of the most crucial functions of the epididymis is enhancing sperm motility. When sperm are initially released from the testes, they are relatively mobile. However, as they travel through the epididymis, they are exposed to special micro environments that promote the development of progressive forward swimming patterns. This improved motility is essential for sperm to navigate the female reproductive tract and reach the egg for fertilization. The last role of epididymis is the concentration and dilution. Sperm that are initially produced in testes are highly concentrated and are surrounded by a fluid rich in nutrients and supportive factors. As they traverse through the epididymis, this fluid is gradually reabsorbed, leading to the higher concentration of sperm and a reduction in their volume. This concentration process helps prepare the sperm for ejaculation, ensuring that a sufficient number of motile sperm are delivered to the female reproductive tract.
The ductus deferens or the vas deferens is a long muscular tube that plays a crucial role in the male reproductive system. It is responsible for transporting mature sperm from the epididymis, where sperm are stored and undergo maturation, to the ejaculatory duct.
The vas deferens is a part of the spermatic cord, a bundle of structure that extend from the abdominal cavity through the inguinal canal to the scrotum. The journey of sperm begins in the testes, where they are produced. From there, they move into the epididymis, a coiled structure located on the posterior surface of each testis. In the epididymis, the sperm undergo maturation process that allows them to gain the ability to swim and fertilize an egg. Once matured, the sperm are propelled through the vas deferens by peristaltic contraction of the smooth muscle in the walls of the vas deferens. This contraction creates a rhythmic squeezing motion that propels the sperm forward. The vas deferens ascend from the scrotum into the abdominal cavity through the inguinal canal, where it loops over the bladder and then joins with the seminal vesicle to form the ejaculatory duct. The ejaculatory duct is a short duct that passes through the prostate gland and merges with the urethra. It is the point that the vas deferens connect the epididymis to the ejaculatory duct, allowing the mature sperm to mix with seminal fluid produced by the seminal vesicle and other accessory glands. This mixture of sperm and seminal fluid forms semen, which is then ejaculated from the penis through sexual climax.
Amazing facts.
Vasectomy is a surgical procedure that involves cutting or sealing the vas deferens to prevent the transport of sperm. It is a form of male contraception that results in sterility, as sperm are no longer able to reach the ejaculatory duct and be present in the semen. Seminal vesicles and prostate glands. Paired glands located behind the bladder above the prostate are known as central vesicle. The role of seminal vesicle is to produce a significant portion of the seminal fluid that nourish and transport sperm. However, the prostate glands are positioned just below the bladder, surrounding the urethra. The prostate gland contributes to semen production by secreting a fluid rich in enzymes and nutrients that support sperm viability and motility. The seminal vesicles and prostate glands are two important accessory glands of the male reproductive system that play a crucial role in the production of seminal fluid and semen. Seminal vesicles are paired pouch-like structure located behind the bladder and connected to the vas deferens. Their main function includes: first is secretion of fluid. The seminal vesicles secrete a thick, alkaline fluid that constitutes a significant portion of the seminal fluid. This fluid contains various substances, including fructose, a sugar that serves as energy source for sperm, and prostaglandins, chemicals that aid in sperm motility and fertility, and enzymes. Number 2. Nourishing sperm. The fructose in the seminal fluids provide a source of energy for the sperm, allowing them to maintain their motility and viability during their journey through the female reproductive tract. Prostate gland. The prostate gland is a walnut-sized organ located just below the bladder and surrounding the urethra. It performs several important functions, including: first is the secretion of prostatic fluid. The prostate gland secretes a thin, milky fluid that contributes to the seminal fluid. This fluid contains enzyme, citric acid, which also provides energy for sperm, and prostate-specific antigen or the PSA, an enzyme that helps liquefy semen after ejaculation. Neutralizing acidic urine. The prostatic fluid helps neutralize the residual acidity of urine in the urethra, further assisting in creating a suitable environment for sperm survival and motility. Third is enhancing sperm motility. The enzymes and chemicals in prostatic fluid aid in liquefying the seminal coagulum, formed after ejaculation, allowing sperm to move more freely. It also serves as transport medium. Seminal fluid provides a medium for sperm to travel through the male and female reproductive tracts. For nutrition and energy, the sugars, fructose, and citric acid in seminal fluid provides energy for the sperm's journey and survival. Next is the sperm activation and motility. The chemicals in seminal fluid, including prostaglandins, help activate and enhance sperm motility, aiding their movement through the female reproductive tract. For protection, seminal fluid contains enzyme and other factors that help protect sperm from the immune response of the female body. Let's now move on to the only one external components of the male reproductive system. It includes the penis. The external male organ involved in sexual intercourse and the passage of urine. The penis consists of three parts: the root attached to the body, the shaft, long portion, and the glans or the rounded tip. During sexual arousal, blood flow to the erectile tissues in the penis increases, leading to an erection. Now, let's talk about the structure of the penis. The penis is an external male reproductive organ composed of three main parts: the root, the shaft, and the glands. First is the root. The root of the penis is the attached portion that extends into the pelvis and is anchored to the pubic bone. Second one is the shaft. The shaft is the elongated cylindrical portion of the penis that extend from the body. It consists of three columns of erectile tissue, two corpora cavernosa on the upper side, and a single corpus spongiosum on the other side. The erectile tissue is spongy and capable of engorging with blood during an erection. Third is glands. The glands is the rounded bulbous tips of the penis. It is highly sensitive and it is covered by a fold of skin called the foreskin or the prepuce, which can be removed in a procedure called circumcision. Erection is the process by which the penis becomes enlarged, firm, and erect, enabling sexual intercourse. It is facilitated by increased blood flow to the erectile tissues in the shaft of the penis. Next one is the role of penis in sperm delivery. During sexual intercourse, the penis has a vital role in delivering sperm from the male to the female reproductive tract for fertilization. Ejaculation as sexual stimulation and arousal continue. The sensory nerves in the penis transmit signals to the spinal cord, which triggers a series of reflexes that ultimately lead to ejaculation. Emission and expulsion. During ejaculation, muscular contraction in vas deferens, seminal vesicles, and prostate gland propels sperm and seminal fluid into the urethra. This fluid makes to form semen. Third stage is the semen release. The semen is expelled from the penis through the urethra in a rhythmic and forceful manner. The contraction of the muscles surrounding the base of the penis facilitate the expulsion of semen. Let's talk about the male reproductive health. Maintaining good reproductive health is essential for overall well-being and quality of life. It is not only impacts an individual's ability to have children, but also affects their physical and mental health. Here, we'll discuss the importance of reproductive health common issues. Common issues like infertility, testicular cancer, and prostate problems. And of course, emphasize the need of regular checkup and healthy lifestyle choices. So now, what are the importance of reproductive health? Fertility and family planning. Good reproductive health is vital for those planning to start a family. It ensures the ability to conceive and carry a pregnancy to term successfully. Next is overall health. Reproductive health is closely linked to general health. Hormonal balance, sexual function, and healthy reproductive organs contribute to overall physical and emotional well-being. Early detection of diseases. Regular reproductive health checkups can help detect potential issues early, improving the chances of successful treatment. The male reproductive system plays a critical and multifaceted role in human reproduction and overall health. Its function extends far beyond the realm of reproduction, influencing various aspects of one's physical, emotional, and psychological well-being. Here are some key points highlighting the significance of the male reproductive system. First is human reproduction. The male reproductive system is the foundation of human reproduction. Sperm production and delivery are essential for fertilization and the continuation of human species. The ability to contribute to conception is a profound biological purpose that underpins the perpetuation of life. Second one is the hormonal regulation. The male reproductive system produces hormones such as testosterone that influence not only reproductive function but also muscle mass, bone density, fat distribution, energy levels, and mood. Hormonal balance is crucial for overall physical and emotional well-being. Next one is the endocrine system integration. The male reproductive system is intricately connected with the endocrine system, which controls various bodily function through hormone production and regulation. Dysfunction in one area can have cascading effects on other systems. Indicator of overall health. The condition of the male reproductive system can serve as an indicator of overall health. Issues such as erectile dysfunction, testicular abnormalities, or changes in sexual desire may be early signs or symptoms of underlying health concerns. In summary, the male reproductive system is not only a vital for human reproduction, but also it is a remarkable biological marvel that plays a pivotal role in human reproduction, and it influences numerous aspects of man's physical, emotional, and psychological health. Its proper functioning contributes to fertility, hormonal balance, and sexual function, and of course, its overall quality of life. By grasping the intricacies of male reproductive system or reproduction, recognizing and prioritizing the significance of the male reproductive system can lead to a healthier lives, more fulfilling relationship, and gain a profound appreciation for the complexity and beauty of nature's design. And this ends my presentation. Hope you learned something from this audiovisual presentation. Again, I am Baniaga, your amazing partner in unveiling the beauty of human anatomy and physiology. Thank you for your attention and have a blessed day ahead.